contagious yawning in Gelada monkeys triggered by yawn sound.
Oh, so they mirror like mirror like it's they have like there's a lot of studies in like neuroscience about like mirror neurons
Yeah,
where like if I do something, if I yawn,
yeah,
that stimulus it causes you to want to yawn.
right.
It's just like imagine all the kind of type of like developmental um the development of all types of um biomedical research that you
Mhm.
could do with just like studying that physiological um
Absolutely.
power that they have to abort